Hey everybody! I'm here today to show you how to install a shower head. This will be a very simple tutorial, so let's get right into the video. First and foremost, you're going to have a pipe along the top of your bath area, along the top of your shower area. So right up here, if you look up at the top, you can see that pipe right there. Now on that pipe, if it's a brand new pipe, there's probably not going to be any Teflon tape around it. So you're going to have to get some Teflon tape and wrap it nicely around it to prevent any leaks from occurring. And you can look up a separate video on that simply because there's already Teflon tape on this. I've actually done a separate video on how to use Teflon tape. So you can check that out or watch any Teflon tape video. But essentially you want to get Teflon tape on that pipe. And this one already has it on because I just removed the different shower head. Then you want to get your shower head and you'll notice that it is going to have the threads that correspond with these right here. You're going to want to take that shower head. You're going to want to apply a little bit of pressure towards the pipe, just a bit, not a lot, just a bit. And you're going to want to twist it. As you can see, we are twisting it in place just like that, nice and tightly. And then when you get to the point where it's nice and tight, so right here it's nice and tight, you no longer want to twist on this part because this is a pivoting shower head. So if I twist on this, I'm just going to end up turning this, right? We want to get it nice and tightly on there without turning this. So we're going to reach up to the top over here, right at where it's connecting, and you want to twist that nice and firmly, give it a nice good grip, and twist just like that. And what you don't want to do is you don't want to torque the pipe. So you want to twist it enough that you're going to get a good amount of pressure, but you're not trying to twist this pipe right off because then you're going to be in some pretty serious trouble. So hard enough to get it on there nice and firmly, but not too hard as to bend the pipe or torque the pipe, okay? And then you want to obviously turn on your shower to make sure that it works and it's not leaking. If it is leaking up here, then what you can do is you can take it off, apply a little bit more Teflon tape, and tighten it up once again, okay? If it's leaking somewhere in here, then it's a problem with the shower head in itself. But it's pretty straightforward. I mean, for the most part, if you're using a standard shower head, you just want to make sure that there's Teflon tape on there, and if not, you want to put some Teflon tape on there. You want to twist the shower head clockwise into place. When you get it up here, you want to just tighten it up. Now, some people like to use a wrench or some pliers to tighten this up. For me personally, from my experience, and I've installed many shower heads, just using your hand is more than enough force as long as there's a good amount of Teflon tape on there. And that's basically it. In this video tutorial, I've shown you how to install a shower head. It's a very simple process. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.